I got to the point where I could barely move and barely walk, and I was just going from seat to seat and not even being able to stand up. I knew that something in my life had to change. And that's when I remembered Wildwood. From the time that I walked in the door, you can tell that the Spirit of God is here. With every treatment, every conversation, they have aggressively helped me with replacing the medications that I were on with natural supplements. They've helped eliminate about 85 to 90% of the pain that I came with, and they are helping me to regain my strength. But I think the most important thing is that they have given me hope. And that's something that was really draining when you're having illness, is that when you don't have any hope, it's not really possible for you to heal. And at Wildwood, like I said, they address the whole man, spiritually and physically. I see my life from here never being the same again, and being able to share with people not only God's word, but his purpose for us to have life and to have it abundantly.